everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to enter the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the sleep option, so let's tap. And here we've got some options, as you can see, from which we can choose, so we can either set 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. As you can see, in my case I've got 30 seconds applied. This option is marked. So in order to change it, just tap on the time you'd like to set, and I will pick 10 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.